Ursula von der Leyen said the earthquake killed nearly 50,000 people in Turkey and neighbouring Syria, the largest natural disaster in the region for years.
The earthquakes affected a region in Turkey home to 13.5 million people and an unknown number in Syria. Millions are now homeless and living in tents as the winter drags on. We need to sustain our support and help the survivors not just to survive, but to rebuild their lives. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to mobilize for reconstruction. Homes and schools and hospitals must be rebuilt with the highest standards of seismic safety. Water and sanitation and other critical infrastructure must be repaired. Public services and businesses need capital to restart so that people can earn a living. I am pleased to announce that the European Commission alone will support Turkey with €1 billion for the post-earthquake reconstruction. We also pledge a further package of €108 million for humanitarian assistance and early recovery in Syria. On top of this, our member states and the European financial institutions will make additional pledges. That comes on top of the €21 million in humanitarian assistance that we have already mobilised.
Prime Minister of Sweden, Ulf Kristersson, co-hosted the conference in his role as President of the Council of the European Union and said his country would pledge the equivalent of €45 million to support humanitarian, rehabilitation and reconstruction efforts in Turkey and Syria.
The initial and fast response to the earthquakes must be followed by solid support for continued humanitarian relief, recovery, rehabilitation and reconstruction. My own country, Sweden, will today pledge 500 million Swedish kronor, equivalent to €45 million, to support humanitarian and reconstruction efforts in Turkey and humanitarian assistance and rehabilitation in Syria.
The United Nations Development Programme estimated the total financial burden of the earthquake disaster for Turkey at some $103.6 billion and said that amounted to 9% of the country's GDP forecast for 2023. Addressing the Brussels conference via video link, President Tayyip Erdogan welcomed the support and said Turkey aimed to build high-quality, safe buildings during reconstruction efforts. The European Union has long accused Erdogan of human rights violations, and the bloc's ties with Turkey are tense over Ankara's crackdown on dissent following a 2016 coup. More recently, Turkey has blocked a bid by Sweden, a European Union member, to join NATO in the wake of Russia's war against Ukraine.